Annie M, it's a twister!
No, it's Calm TV. Need money for college? Well, Calm can help. On March 1st at 12:30 in TVB 1470, there will be a FAFSA Workshop.
Calm is planning to roll out new programs and new courses for the upcoming year and would like your input. Go to the Texas City Marque Chamber of Commerce, 5:30 p.m. Tuesday, February 27th.
My fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
Throughout history, words have inspired nations and sparked revolutions.
The Words That Change History event will feature students giving famous speeches from history. The deadline for applications to audition is March 2nd at 5 p.m.
Participants will be awarded a $50 Visa gift card. Visit calm.edu for more details. Come to the 7 vs. 7 soccer game Wednesday, February 28th at 2 p.m.
Go! You see it? You see it?
Yes, TJ. Mr. Webb!
The graduation workshop will be held March 1st at 12:30 in TVB 1344.